So, the person on your mind, what they would say to you if they could, I think they're very confused at this point. So, they're a lot in their head more than what they would say to you. They are, I feel like, talking to God about you. Like they want to take control over this situation, they want to come towards you. They're just frustrated of being alone, and more than being alone, they're frustrated with not being with you. All they want to do is be a kid with you. They want you to nurture them, they want you to take care of them, they want you to make them feel special. But they feel like the higher power or the situation or something is not right, something is not letting you to be together. They deeply feel that, but they're adamant for you. Like they think it's not favorable for you to be together, but they just can let you go. They're manifesting you, they're even manifesting you taking a step towards them. They want you to come to them and talk to them and do something about it, because they're just so in their head. I don't know why they're so in their head. What is it that they're fearing? Oh, we have the moon card too. It's not in the picture, definitely. I'm cutting the deck to the moon card. They have some kind of fear. They're afraid of the unknown. I think they're afraid of the future. I think there's something forbidden here. The devil. I think someone is misleading them. Someone is saying things that this is not good for them. It's not that you are not good for them, but this relationship won't be good for them. Like, but then I cut it to the lovers, and he doesn't care. He wants to be with you. He wants to be with you, and we have temperance in reverse. He is just figuring out how to, but he wants to be with you. That much is final.